Hi guys, welcome back. Please keep on watching to see how I did this ponytail sewing, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe while you're at it. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming here once again to see another video. So this baby girl's hair is natural, as you can see. So I'm just going to detangle it by combing the hair and prep it for the ponytail. So I'm sectioning it while combing, and as you can see, I'm being very gentle so I won't like hurt her hair or she doesn't feel pain while combing. Then I'm parting the hair in the middle, and I'm trying to make sure the parting is as straight as possible and it's exactly on the middle of our forehead. And I'm sectioning it into two, one at the back, one at the front, and I am detangling using my hair dryer. Then after that, I am going to pack the back of the hair with a gel. Yes, so it's I prefer using a thread to do a ponytail because some people head aches when I use rubber band. So I just generally like using thread because it has a very strong grip and it's not too painful. So I pack the hair using the thread. I cutting the excess thread, and I'm going to using my Petals black gel to do the to pack the hair. Guys, I noticed that using a Petals black gel, I feel it's stronger a bit for natural hair compared to eco styling gel. I also go in and use eco styling gel, but not as much as I use the Petals. So and after I'm done with the back, I'm going to go ahead and pack one side first. Guys, you need to do it in section, especially if you are working with natural hair. You have to pack the hair in section so it will lay very flat. So I'm packing the right side of the hair, still using the thread. After I've done that, I apply the gel so it can lay very flat, and I go ahead with the left side. As you can see, the right side looks perfect, it looks flat, and I'm going ahead to use the black gel to make the hair more flat. Yes. And I'm using my got to be spray. I sprayed on the hair. Just use my brush to lay any hair coming out. Then I'm going to wrap her hair with my scarf and blow dry it so the hair can be strong enough before I start my sewing. So if your hair is poking out like this, you need to sew her hair first before you start installing the weave. So the tactics for ponytail, I don't really know. Can't really say it's hard. It's just that it's time consuming. That's why most people use a bonding glue so they can be fast. But I didn't want to use a bonding glue. That's why I'm using a needle and thread. So the tactics is you go round and round and round and round until you get to where you had initially packed the ponytail. So you go around and you sew, but what I did is sometimes I roll the hair, the weave on the head like twice, and I sew. But sometimes I don't roll twice, I go once, sew on top. Sometimes I actually go under and sew. But what I do is I roll the hair twice, as you can see what I did now, then I sew. That's practically how a ponytail works. You just sew from the tip of the head to where you initially pack the ponytail, then you wrap it around to cover the wefts. It's not that difficult. So yeah guys, this is practically all the video I have. I want to show you guys how I made this ponytail, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see the end result now. Yeah, this is practically how it looks like. Hair is so flat. Natural hair are like bay right now. As you can see, my baby girl is slaying and she like. Thanks for watching. Bye.